Hi friends, welcome to the quiz star. Let's check your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium and hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Start with the easy level. Hey quiz master, welcome back. Nobody can find it within given time. Wow, super start, easily find. Hey quiz master, find the odd Sonic, only 10 seconds. Wow, perfect! The different Sonic. Test your eagle eyes. Find G, only 10 seconds. Come on, quiz master. Challenge your fast eyes. Can you complete the easy level? Wow, quiz master, super fast eyes. 90% viewer failed to find Z within given time. My question is hard, but my viewer is super genius. Come on, my regular genius viewer. Wow, genius viewer, come on. Spot the odd cute dog. Come on, quiz lover. Wow, super catch the cute dog. Hey, find the odd emoji, only 10 seconds. Wow, nice catch the different emoji. Hey quiz master, test your eyes. Find 3, only 10 seconds. Come on, quiz master, come fast. Wow, super fast eyes. Hey, test your math skills. Can you solve this within given time? Hey, perfect! You are math master. Find the odd jug emoji within given time. Wow, perfect! The different jug emoji. Are you focus master? Find 95 within given time. Excellent! You are focus master. Test your observation skills. Find 55. Hey quiz master, completed an easy level. Medium level start. Spot the different 563 within given time. Excellent. The different number easily find. Find the odd pizza within given time. Wow, super catch! The different pizza. Nobody can find the letter VFR. Come on, quiz master. Wow, excellent. Letter is find. Find the odd grapes. Wow, nice catch of the different grapes. Hey genius, can you find 309 within given time? Wow, super genius. Come on, genius. Hey, quiz master, test your general knowledge within given time. Hey, super knowledge. Only smart guys find 990. Come on, smart guys. Hey, perfect. You are smart. Come on. Hey, quiz master, challenge your math skills. Wow, perfect. The right answer 3. Find the odd number and 6 and within given time. Wow, super catch. Completed medium level. Start with the hard level. Hey, quiz master, can you find the 76 and 15 within given time? Wow, that's one. Spot the odd emoji. Come on, quiz master. Super catch the different emoji. Are you focus master? Find 83 and 60. Come on, quiz master, challenge your eyes. Can you complete the hard level? Hey, perfect. You are focus master. Hey, quiz master, one letter is different. Wow, nice catch the different letter. Find the odd super frog. Wow, this super frog, perfect. Find the odd number 16. Wow, the double 16 easily find. Hey quiz master, one number is different within given time. Wow, perfect. The different number double 12. Hey quiz master, test our brand, find the repeated two numbers. Wow, perfect. The repeated number is 5. Hey quiz master, find 60 and 90. Come on, quiz master. Hey, perfect. You are quiz master. Come on. Hey quiz master, test your IQ level. Find the repeated two letters within given time. Super IQ level, the repeated letter is S. Spot the odd letter. Wow, nice catch. Letter is find. Challenge your observation skills. Find 2000. Excellent, super observation skills. Hey math master, can you solve this? Excellent, perfect, you are math master. Hey quiz master, challenge your eyes. Find double 41. Excellent work, quiz master. Completed hard level. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Please like, subscribe and share. Next challenge,